Neuroplasticity is tapping into the ability of the brain to learn that fast. Well, the brain can learn that fast, but we believe that we take time to learn. Have you seen people reading? They read slowly because they feel, I'll understand that way. They'll mark, they'll read, they'll go back, they'll read again. Well, that may be working for you, but that's a belief system. The brain can absorb things much faster. So we hold pain and hurt for so long, 5 years, 10 years. Somebody will come and say, I'm suffering for the last 12 years. Well, a session in therapy is, what are we doing with therapy? We are doing three things in therapy. Step one is to ground them. Step two is to access this neuroplasticity so that they are accessing the same information differently under this new neural pathway influence. So grounding plus this has taken away what the pain was, but this didn't complete therapy. This was like giving anesthesia. This was like giving a painkiller. Should this behavior be an automatic behavior for them in the rest of their life? Then they're teaching the brain a new behavior all the time. But therapy is about finding out what behaviors are not helping them, or how is it we can change. And that's a different component altogether. But this is your starting point to access neural plasticity, to access alternate behaviors.